Hi you guys, welcome to today's video. So, I already have my eyes prepped because I recorded this video once, didn't like it, deleted it, wasn't going to record anymore, was just going to play with some makeup, and then I decided screw it, I'm up here playing, so might as well just turn on the camera and record. We are going to review the Breakfast in Bed by Beauty Bakerie. This palette, you guys, is so pretty. I did a look. Like, obviously you could tell that I played in it. I did a look and I didn't really like it that much because I've been doing a lot of purple. I just need something different. I'm going to give you guys some background knowledge about Beauty Bakerie, the brand. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button below, ring the bell. I'm here Tuesdays and Thursdays, 1 p.m. If you are new here, hi, my name is Annie. I like to play with makeup. Follow me, join the family. Alright, so Beauty Bakerie is a Black-owned business. The owner's name is Cashmere Nicole. The motto of Beauty Bakerie is be sweet and sweeten the lives of others. So Beauty Bakerie is literally bakery goods. That's how their packaging is. And it's just overall a really, really cute brand. This girl built her business at the age of 26. She was fighting breast cancer. She was in nursing school. And she was a single mother. So you can find Beauty Bakerie at Morphe. You can buy it at ULTA. You've seen it at Douglas, Forbes, Entrepreneur, and Allure. Allure is a subscription box. It is a Black-owned business. This palette was rated 4 stars on ulta.com. That retails for about $38. Started in 2011. She started as a one-woman operation. She's from South Bend, Indiana, which I think is really cool. She's from my home state. It is cruelty-free and it's vegan-friendly, which is two really important things to me. I know it is to a lot of people who play with makeup too. They are now based in San Diego. They're worth $15 million, the brand is right now. That's all. So let's go ahead and jump into this palette. So I am going to take the shade Forehead Kisses in my crease.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, have me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins.
I'm gonna go with this Morphe M433 brush, and I'm gonna go into the next darkest shade. I'm gonna go into Messy Hair.
Close, have me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it.
Let's talk about Beauty Bakerie. So, Beauty Bakerie, I have had their baking powder, which I really loved. I don't know what I did with it. It just kind of disappeared. And I also love their lip scrubs. I have the peach lip scrub and I have the strawberry. I think the strawberry one I like better. So now I'm going to go in with this Morphe brush. I'm going to go into the shade Yawning. So it's this first shade right here. I was trying to decide between that and that, but I think that I'm just going to stick with Yawning because it's matte. Mattes are always the way to go. And I'm going to put this on the outer corner of my eye. I'm going to try this Boo and a View at dark. These shades you do kind of have to build up. I don't really care because I like to perfect my technique. But I know some people like to just put it on and go.
Nail friends, 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins.
I don't know how crazy I am about that.
If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso.
So to the middle of my eye, I'm going to go in with Pajamas. So I'm going to use this Jeffree Star JS10 brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Pajamas, like I said. That doesn't really pick up a lot of product. That's what you kind of deal with shimmers. They don't always pick up a lot on the brush. That kind of turned a little bit lighter than I wanted. So let's try Lazy Baby. And Lazy Baby is this purple shade right here.
I mean, thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real.
So I'm going to take now this JS13 brush from the Jeffree Star Morphe collection, and I'm going to go in with Yawning. I'm going to go in with this Jaclyn Hill brush. This is the JH40. Taking that same brush, I'm going to go into Messy Hair, which was the first shade that I used.
COVID-19 is killing me, and I must confess, I hate quarantine.
I'm going to take this little tiny brush from Morphe. This is from the Morphe Travel Collection, and I'm going to go into French Doors. So I'm going to use the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Mist Ultra Fine, and I'm going to get some of this on my brushy. I'm going to spray it, just spritz it. That'll make your shadows poppy, poppy, poppy. We've almost used every color. We just haven't used these two. So I'm going to go with this darker one. I'm going to go with Cuddle Cakes. There we go with that finished eye look. So I'm going to get off camera to the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, and just like that, we have the final product. If you're ever wondering what I use off camera, I always list them below, just in case you're ever wondering. So this is the final product. I really like this eyeshadow. I thought it blended out really pretty, and like, I'm using a BAREMINERALS foundation right now, and it just gives me the most natural look, and I love it. So this is it. I am interested. I've seen a lot of looks with this palette. I just stick with what I know because I don't want to mess anything up. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a great big thumbs up. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss a video. Alright you guys, I will see you next time.